I'm about to give you the best affiliate marketing tutorial out there. Trust me, anyone who follows this tutorial step by step without leaving anything out will be well on their way to making over $800 every day. I was actually introduced to this method by my friend, and when I tried it for myself, I just had to come here and tell you guys all about it too. Just look here and you'll see that this guy is making over $10,000 a week with this method. Or how about this other guy who has managed to make over $900 a day? If you want to be one of these people, let's jump straight in. Step 1. Head over to the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program. So, affiliate marketing is an awesome way to make money online. It basically involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. It's kind of like being a middleman between the seller and the buyer, and you get paid for driving traffic and sales to the seller's website. Now, if you're interested in trying out affiliate marketing or looking for a new opportunity, then you have to sign up for the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program. They've got this awesome program where you can make money by promoting the best golf brands out there. Think golf simulator packages, nets, mats, putting greens, and more. They've got it all covered. And let me tell you, the commissions they offer are pretty sweet. We're talking anywhere from 5% to a whopping 12% or even more. That's some serious cash right there. No doubt, this is hands down the best golf affiliate program you'll come across. So in this video, we're gonna team up and spread the word about these amazing golf products. Trust me, it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Step 2. Sign up for the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program. Alright, now that you know what the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program is all about, let's move on to Step 2, signing up. First things first, open up your browser and simply search for the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program and then click on the first link. You'll then see a green Sign Up Today button in the middle of the screen. Just click on that and you'll be taken to the sign up form. So go ahead and fill it out with all the information about yourself and then accept the terms and conditions to finish off the sign up process. Once you get that sweet acceptance email, you'll get access to your own affiliate dashboard. That's where all the cool stuff happens. You'll find your unique affiliate referral link there, which you can copy and start spreading Rain or Shine Golf to your audience to earn a commission. Step 3. Head over to Durable to create a landing page. Okay, so now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to get some eyes on it, and to do that, we're gonna create a landing page. So, Durable is this awesome AI tool that can whip up a super professional landing page in just a matter of seconds. Now, let me tell you, this tool is a game changer when it comes to getting your business online. With just 3 clicks, you'll have a fully designed website with catchy copy, stunning images, and even a fancy contact form all ready to go in under a minute. It's quick, it's easy, and you don't need to know any fancy code stuff. So head over to durable.co and then click on that Generate Your Website button. Just hit Get Started and it'll ask you for your business type, which would be golf. Click Next and then add your business name, which in this case would be Rain or Shine Golf. Click Next once again, and boom! In a matter of seconds, your whole website will be built right in front of your eyes. Now, if you want to get a bit fancy and customize your website, you can totally do that too. All you need to do is sign up for an account using your email address or even your Google account. And from there, you'll have the power to tweak and personalize your site as much as you want. Add your affiliate link to the landing page. Now, when you're using Durable to create your landing page, it's so important to strategically place your affiliate link within the content. You want visitors to easily spot it and be tempted to click on it. After all, we want those sales rolling in, right? So, think about making it visually appealing. Maybe try using a different font or color that catches the eye, or even create a catchy call to action. Let's make it pop. But hey, it's not just about looks. We gotta make sure that link is working like a charm. The last thing we want is to miss out on potential sales because of a pesky broken link. So here's what you do. Test it out. Yep, it's as simple as clicking on the link yourself and making sure it takes you to the right product page. If it does, you're good to go. Step 4. Drive traffic to your landing page. After creating your landing page and adding your affiliate link, the next step is to drive traffic to your page. Without visitors, you won't make any sales or earn any commissions. This is where propeller ads comes in handy. Propeller Ads is a website that lets you advertise your landing page to a broader audience for free. By using Propeller Ads, you can attract more visitors and drive more traffic to your landing page. First things first, you gotta sign up for an account with Propeller Ads. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to create your ad campaign. Now, here's the secret to successful ads: targeting options. You want to make sure your ads reach the right people who are most likely to be interested in your product. So, pick the targeting options that fit your product and target audience. This way, you'll be showing your ads to the right people, increasing your chances of making those sweet commissions. When it comes to ad formats, Propeller Ads has got your back with a bunch of options. You've got banner ads, pop-under ads, push notifications, you name it. Feel free to experiment and try different formats to see what works best for your product and audience. More traffic to your landing page means more chances of making those sales and earning those commissions. Now, let's talk about creating an ad that'll grab people's attention. InVideo is going to be your best friend here. It's a tool that makes creating professional-looking ads a breeze. First, pick a template that matches your product's style and tone. Then, go ahead and customize it to make it your own. Add your catchy text, awesome images, or even cool videos. And don't forget to play around with colors and fonts to make it all shine with your branding. To make your ad stand out, you gotta make it engaging and eye-catching. Think bold headlines and striking images that'll make people go, "Whoa, what's this all about?" Keep it short and sweet though, cause you only got a few seconds to make an impact. Once you've crafted your masterpiece within InVideo, it's time to run it and drive traffic to your landing page. Just hop on back to Propeller Ads, choose the ad format you fancy, upload your ad, and set your targeting options. Boom! You're done! Oh, and here's the best part: real-time performance tracking. You can see exactly how many people are clicking on your ad and converting on your landing page. Use this data to tweak and improve your ad campaign, and watch those results get better and better. So, running ads is a powerful way to amp up your traffic and start raking in those commissions. With InVideo for creating killer ads and Propeller Ads for targeting your audience, you're on your way to making some serious cash. Pro tip: so if you're serious about really maximizing your earnings with the Rain or Shine Golf Affiliate Program, think about reinvesting some of that cash into learning how to run TikTok ads. Trust me, it's a game changer. Once you start earning those sweet commissions, take a bit of that money and dive into the world of TikTok advertising. By learning the ropes and running targeted ads, you can skyrocket your profits even more. It's like putting your money to work for you. TikTok ads can help you reach a wider audience, attract more potential buyers, and mainly drive more sales. It might need some upfront investment, but the payoff can be really worth it. Plus, it's an awesome skill to have. Now look guys, there are a ton of websites and opportunities out there to make money, and I know how overwhelming and confusing it can get. That's why it's handy to know the best ways out there to make money, and I tested out this strategy for you so you can try it out. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, then I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.